In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Xero Accounting app on mobile. If you want to stay on top of your business finances while you're away from your desk, the Xero Mobile App makes it much easier to handle a few important tasks quickly and efficiently. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to get the app set up, how to sign in securely, how to create and send invoices while you're on the go, and how to reconcile bank transactions right from your phone. To get started, download and install the Xero Accounting app on your mobile device. Make sure you're choosing the official app from your device's app store so you know you're using the correct version. Once the app has finished installing, open it and get ready to sign in. Next, log into your account using your email address and password. Enter your details carefully, and if your device offers secure sign-in features like password management or biometric access, those can make future logins quicker while still keeping your account protected. After signing in, give the app a moment to load your dashboard and sync your data. Once you're in, you can start managing invoices directly from the app. Go to the invoices section to create a new customer invoice. From there, enter the customer details, add the products or services, confirm the amounts, and review everything before sending it. This is especially useful when you need to invoice a client immediately after a meeting, a job, or a sale. Sending invoices promptly can help improve cash flow and reduce delays in payment, so it's a great habit to build into your workflow. Another useful feature in the app is reconciliation. Open the reconciliation section to review your bank transactions. Here, you can use swipe actions to quickly match and reconcile items. This mobile-friendly approach helps speed up the process and makes it easier to work through transactions whenever you have a few spare minutes. As you reconcile, take a second to double-check that each match is accurate. A quick review now can save time later and help keep your records clean and reliable. Using the Xero Accounting app on mobile is a practical way to manage key accounting tasks without needing to sit at a computer. Once you've installed the app, logged in, created invoices, and started reconciling transactions, you'll be able to handle essential financial admin from almost anywhere. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.